Olá, boa noite a todos. Vamos dar início aqui a esta configuração deste live 2008. Está tudo ok. Vamos meter aqui um Start All Node. Ok. Está tudo a arrancar. Só de lembrar que aqui no nosso cenário nós vamos simular a criação de zona de VLANs e a configuração do SD-WAN. Ok? Sem mais demora, vou começar aqui no router. Não. Yeah. Let's start. Configure. Terminal. Perfect. Path 0/0. Let me check the IP. 0/0. IP 27.10.1.5.5.5.5.0. Here should down. Let's go to another interface. One. So one the IP will be 45. 66. Okay, let's go. Interface. Let me check the interface because I don't know. Will be 1/2, 1/0. Will be 1/0, and it will be added there. Load 1, 5, load 5, load 5, load 0. Okay, let's shoot that. Let's configure the IP name server will be 808. Let's create the CPU and IP thereafter exclude. That will be 47.68.10.1. That will be 45.65. Okay. Then IP thereafter pool a network. Minha voz hoje não está muito boa. 47.68.10.255.255.255.0. Default root will be 47.68.10.1. DNS server will be 808.8. Okay, let's go to another B. Okay, and the network should be 45.65. Yeah, and the default root it will be 45.65.10.1. Okay, DNS server it will be 808. Okay, thank you. So then I will do hostname ESP. Correct. I will use a root. I like to use a BGP. Okay. You can use another type of protocol, but I want to use BGP. Okay. Network will be 808.0. Mask will be 255.255.255.0. Network should be 47.68.10.0. Mask 255.255.255.0. and then another will be 45.65. Alright, exit. Okay, do double R. Okay, let's go to our topology. Let's configure the DNS server to the server. Let's go to the network opportunity and let's configure the DNS. Okay, copy that. The rate should be and 255.255.0. It will be 801.1 is 1 here. I can let this and apply. Okay. Let's change the name. Let's change the name of my computer, my DNS PC. Okay. Let's change. Today the internet is good as well. There is no problem. I will change the name. I will give the name DNS. Okay. I will apply. And it will ask to restart. I will let it restart. Start now. Okay, it's doing. Now let's change. Let's go to another side. Let's get into the Fortinet. Okay, for the interface I will configure only DHCP mode on this interface. This is the Fortinet. By default the user is admin. Password no password. And config system interface edit for set allowed HTTP ping, right? Set mode DHCP. Okay, then it should be on. Then show system interface. Okay, we have one IP. This is the one interface. We just taking IP. Okay, and if it takes the time, okay, the machine just restart. So let's go to here. Let's go to the machine. Let me test something. Okay, ping 0.8 is pinging, and ping 1 is pinging 2. Let me ping DNS. Yeah, it's pinging, but it's not cool yet. Let me ping and .8. Okay, yeah, is responding, but let me configure the DNS service, okay, and EES service. So when we are here, let's go to roles, add rules. Let's get in there to provide more. I'm recording this video, then I will share not the LCP, sorry, only DNS and the web service. Okay, if you wanna develop more, you can put website here and you can test. Pode meter websites aqui, criar alguns, ok, a partir do IS aqui, ok. I will let finish. Let's go to the Fortinet. Okay, come on, I want to see, so I just have my IP here. This is the IP I will need. I will use this on that one and 2. It will be 50.52. That is the IP. Then let's get into the Fortinet. I will let this later. So first of all, let's get in. Let's go to. I'm using the Fortinet version 6.2.0. Let's go to the interface. That is the interface. This example is like we are using FORTIGATE model 30E. Vamos a usar uma 30E, ok? Então, por isso estamos aqui a testar com poucas portas, ok? Porta 1 vamos denominar como sendo a 1E. Okay, let's get in here. 1. So 1. We can say 1. Estimate 10,000 and 2,000. 20. Here is 20 and 10. Okay. Let me take this out and this guy because we are coming from. Okay, and apply. Let's go to another. This is the port 2, and then it's 1, 2, roll 1, 10,000 and 20. Okay, it will take from DHCP because our provide is sending IP for him. I will do okay. It will take a time, but it will take IP. Okay, you can see. Yeah, this is the top gateway, and this is the DNS server. Okay, and let's go to another page. Now let's configure our ZONE-VLAN. How many VLANs we have? We have. Before do this, let's create the VLAN. Okay. Before configure the ZONE-VLAN, let's go to configure the VLAN here. Let's go to the switch and enable configure terminal VLAN 10. Okay, name should be 10. VLAN 11. The name will be B. And VLAN 12. The name will be C. Okay, exit. Now let's say that interface 0/1 should be part of VLAN 10. 1, 2, and 3. Let's switch interface Ethernet 0/1 switch port switch port access VLAN 10. Okay, exit. Let's go to another interface to switch port mode access VLAN 11 and 3 switch port 12. Exit. Okay, and the interface 0/0 you should put in crank. Okay, so interface Ethernet 0/0 switch port crank encapsulation .key. Alright, switch port mode crank. Okay, now it's cool. You can do show interface crank. You will see the interface 0, Ethernet 0 is in crank. Okay, and it is allowed for the VLANs 1, 10, from 10 until 12. Okay, 11 is in middle. Alright, is inside just. Okay, let's do double F. Okay. Now let's go to the FORTIGATE. First of all, we should create the VLANs. Okay, let's create interface, and we will call by VLAN 10. Right, and we should specify the port is a port 3. The ID it will be 10. The ID must be the same that tem que ser igual a VLAN que tu criaste, ok? 192.168.10.1. Okay, we will get 24, and we will provide DHCP and edit for 10. We let this guy. Okay, when we apply one of these computer below, it will take IP just. Okay, it is the first. Let's do for another interfaces. VLAN 11 port 3 ID 11. It will be 192.168.11.1 24 pin DHCP. It will start by 10 from 10. Apply. It is missing one. Let's go to the last interface. VLAN. It will be 12 port 3 ID 12. The IP it will be 192.168.12.1. Okay, 24. Let's ping DHCP edit. It will start from 10. Then apply. Then apply. Now let's create the zone, and we will call by zone LAN zone. Can be LAN zone, right? Let me call more person here. Okay, then we should inform the interfaces. Those interfaces, they are all the interface of our VLAN. Okay, and let's go to OK. Now the zone is made. I made the zone is here. Let's go to see if the PCs are taking the IP. First of all, let's go to, it is Windows XP. Let me try. I forgot to explain something. IP config. Hey, just taking the IP, you can see. Okay, and let me check if I'm able to take the DNS IP. Let me see status, port details. Yeah, I'm taking the DNS. Estou a pegar os DNS da internet, ok? Está perfeito, está tudo a correr bem até o momento. Espero que não tenham dúvidas e que tudo esteja bem claro, ok? Let's go. Let's go. This PC is okay. It's taking IP, and let's go to another. I will close this. I will open another. Let's go to this one. Yeah, let me check the IP. Send IP config. Yeah, it's taking. But the problem is I'm not able to ping from this machine 192.168 to 10.10. I'm not able to ping. Okay, and they cannot ping each other because I forgot to explain something. Let's go to the FORTIGATE. This is the FORTIGATE. When we create the zone, if you will let this allowed, it will block all the traffic from all the VLANs. Em outras palavras, as VLANs não vão poder se comunicar, ok? Se a gente desativar isto, vai ser possível pingar de uma VLAN para outra, ok? You can see now this PC is available to ping to VLAN 10, okay? Let's go to another PC. This is the other PC. I get it now. Don't worry. It was the first IP, and let me try to ping to 192.168.11.10 because yeah, it's pinging. And if I try to ping to 10.1, it's pinging. And if I can ping each other, okay? It's working well. Now I wanna try to ping the 8.8.8. It will not be able because we don't have policy to go through the internet. Let's start configure the SD-WAN. Alright, let's come here. Let's come to the SD-WAN. Alright, to configure the SD-WAN, you should do enable SD-WAN interface. You should inform what's the interface. Let's put the first. The gateway of this interface 1, it will be 47. I think so. Let me check first. Yeah, it's the 47. Okay, and let's come back. 47.68.10.1. Cost, it will cost 75. Okay, and let's put another. Okay, it will be 45, 65, 10.1, and it will cost 35. Okay, we must apply. You should see the bandwidth. They are not taking nothing yet. Yeah, it's now. Okay, you can see sending and receive. Okay, and bandwidth upstream. Not taking nothing yet. Let's come here on SD-WAN rule. Let's create here SD-WAN rule. Let's create here is 1. Coming interface should be all. I will let all. I will not specify group. I will let all too. And best quality. Let me check. I will do. I want to see those. And make sure SLA I don't have yet. Let's create here. We will provide these on Google, for example, that google.com, and it should be 8.8 and not who will be participate the two interfaces, and that should be okay. And use here, and we have here some feature. Okay, you can see port 1 and port 2. This is state, is their up session and upload and download. Okay, let me do refresh, and let's go to finish this configuration. Okay, we need to create start to route. One start to route for the internet. It should be start to route here, and we should create this way. All traffic goes to this one, and internet. Okay, apply, and let's create one policy for that one. Okay, policy object, and create here internet. It will come from LAN zone. It goes to SD-WAN and source. We will let all but by default don't let all. Okay, service, it will be all, and we need a NAT. I will apply also these guys, and I will let all session because I want to see the logs, and apply. Let me check. I'm doing a ping right now. Maybe I will have successful information to see if I'm able to ping to the internet. You can check, and let me check if I do ping. I'm not able to resolve the name yet, but let me check something here. I need to create the reverse and so on, but before we do this, let me check if I have something for run. On my switch I don't have configure terminal IP name server 808.8. I don't know if, but sometimes can fix the problem. Yeah, eu não tenho reverse proxy, não tenho reverse DNS, whatever. I will create, okay? So what I have here more. If I open the browser, I will try to open EES. It should be 808.8. Yeah. Okay, the data link is blocking. Data link is blocking. Let's go to the FORTIGATE to see the logs. Monitor SD-WAN. Yeah, 40. Okay, 40 session. There is no session below. It's working well. Okay, let's finish this guy. This is my DNS server. Let's go to DNS server to create something here. Okay. There is no, you can see the reason. Let me take these guys out, all of them. I will not apply to no one. Yeah, there is noise station. Oh, in this version I can find noise station. Another version there is not. Something is not okay. But it's okay. I'm doing okay, but I don't know. Yeah, I can go to the server. Let's create one and test. Okay, it should come to Internet Explorer. One. And here website. Okay, but I can come and here I can change this name by www.google.com. Yeah, that is the most important. Yeah, but I have to do explore to find. Yeah, this is the place. Let's go DNS. Yeah, let's create one DNS for this guy, and it should be, the name should be, I will change the name. It should be name. I will create another here. It will be primary fraud, and it will be English.com. Next, and type Alright, that is the google.com. Inside of that you should create new host using, and the IP should be 808.8. Use different combined name. It will be the name of my machine. It will be a host name. I remember DNS. Here is more DNS. Right. Add and done. Let's create another. Here is www browser DNS Word Google DNS name and apply. Alright, it should be able to work right now. Let's go there to test. Let's come here, let's open, let me check this one. You should do www.google.com. Yeah, it's working. You can check, and then you can come here and ping www.google.com right now. This one, yeah, is resolving. Yeah, that is cool. Let's try to stop to shut down. We will do a shutdown of I'm not pinging the internet there. I'm pinging the internet here. I will let here. Yeah, it's pinging. Yeah, I will do a shutdown on the first interface, okay? Config interface plus 0/0 shutdown. Let's, you can see one timeout is destination unreachable. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then come back. Okay, let me check on the FORTIGATE. If everything is cool. Let's come here to monitor SD-WAN, and you can see one link is down and another is working. Okay.